Butterfly in the sky. I can fly twice as high. Didn't I tell you? Now where's that rainbow? Even better, I think we found you a new home. Aw, did someone order a cat in a basket? Well, even if she didn't, she's not complaining. Good thing too, we don't do returns. Cats and computers, they just go together. Though I think he'd prefer the kind with a mouse. Meanwhile, you got a warranty on that? You did? Wonderful! That means free cardboard. But maybe save that, just in case, you know? The box is already in just the shape we need. But make sure to slice up some pieces, like so. We'll need something to go inside after all. You could use some color. I meant the laptop. Oh, I see. We're making a laptop just for cats. Complete with a personal scratching post. Knew that other laptop would come in handy. With this kitty cat, you also get a free alarm clock. Still, we should make something to maintain Kitty's energy. And this magic horn is here to help. Wow, a wood stick! This stuff is going right in the cardboard. Now slip into these custom banana peels. Next, grab some twine and twist it all around. Run through these holes. Add a cute cat face and something nice and soft to lie on. It's the perfect spot for your cat to rest, in between sleeping. Don't think Kitty's a fan of Pinky. But don't worry, you don't need a stuffed toy. You've got something even better, a paper cup. Add some wooden poles on the side. And now, you can throw on some wheels too. I get it. We can make cars based on our favorite Sprunky friends. And Kitty can play without knocking any stuffing out. Hey, even Kitty needs his private time. Let's just hope he's not in there all day. Okay, somebody's getting a litter box. And just to be clear, we mean the cat. But we'll meet Mr. Kitty halfway. How about we produce something in the old outhouse style? You know, we probably have heavy-duty scissors in back. Of course, it could still use a touch of green. Ah, vines will give it a nice rustic charm. Of course, when making a litter box, we kind of need some litter. It is in the name, after all. Come on, Kitty. Why don't you try it out? Feeling shy? Don't worry. There's a door for maximum privacy. Which reminds me, don't you have business to take care of? Nothing beats petting a cat, but you gotta stay hydrated. Ugh, that popcorn's out of reach too. Don't worry, Queen Tantalus. There's an easy fix. We just need to make a brand new you, sort of. A picture so pretty, it needs a frame. But all the best things in life have depth. Not to mention a soft touch, just the way Kitty likes it. Sadly, what goes around comes around. Cats always bring something special to a home. Just remember, they just don't do tables. Seriously, this is like Cats 101. But at least they leave some cool paw prints. To make it last forever, fill it with hot glue. Preferably glitter glue. Or just never touch the sand. But this way is more fun and sparklier. Once you add more glitter and let it dry, dig it out. Now clear off the sand. I mean, it's blocking the glitter. We can make it Mr. Kitty's brand new accessory. In fact, why not start a trend? Now you're both real cool cats. It's always fun to take some selfies, but they're always better with cats. If only there was a fun way to show them off at once. Well, looks like Kitty already has an idea. Whatever it is, it's got something to do with wheels. Maybe a spinning wheel? A hamster wheel? Oh, I get it. We're making a Ferris wheel. And there's plenty of room for all our photos. Just get the seats ready and start hanging. I heard of carousel posts, but this is in 3D and real life. Cat food? Mr. Kitty wants to make sure this stuff is safe. Of course, we need to make sure it's safe from him, too. Maybe we could craft something that could help. Chopsticks are very useful when it comes to food. It just makes sense that even cats have a use for them. Just what our special cat food dispenser needs. Crafting is thirsty work. Have some water. But more importantly, we need that bottle. Of course, no one would complain about a nice new paint job. Why don't we give this contraption a friendly face? You know, something Mr. Kitty can really trust. Of course, a cat food dispenser's gonna need some, well, cat food. And a bowl to catch the kibble and try it out. It works! But now for the real test. Does Mr. Kitty like it? He just can't resist a paws-on experience. That and kibble. Mr. Kitty sure is quiet. Wait, Derpy? Where's... Oh, there you are. You know, you deserve a real special treat. Preferably something we can make out of cardboard. I'm sure you noticed a trend around here today, right? But this project's gonna use all the cardboard we can throw at it. Any guesses what we're making? Whatever it is, I'm pretty sure it's going places. Well, for the time being, it's getting a paint job. That's right, we're making a bakery food truck. Didn't I say it was a sweet treat? Oh, I didn't? Well, I should have. Of course, the important thing is a place for Kitty to rest. Seriously, watching us craft all day has got to be exhausting. And I don't think he'd mind a little baking either. You earned it. Huntrix is on its world tour, but it looks like they're making a pit stop. Here's hoping you girls have a safe landing. Quick, somebody catch them! Wow, heaven's missing 3 little angels. But where are we gonna put them all? A cardboard house? It's not quite what K-pop idols are used to. After all, they've got some high ambitions. Okay, I think the girls are up to something. Well, whatever they're up to, they already owe Derpy a new bowl. Well, we're in the money now, girls. I was thinking more shopping spree, but you do you. Anyway, it's time to paint with glitter and gold. What? You don't expect Huntrix to do it themselves. Then again, this could be practical. I mean, who knows how much paint costs these days? Ooh, it's shiny, but something tells me it could use a bit of a soft touch. Soon we'll really have our own castle in the clouds. I think we can afford to miss a few pieces here and there. See, we had plenty to fill out a roof. Okay, girls, I think you'll be happy to step inside. Uh-oh, we kind of forgot about the interior. Unless, of course, you're into early Halloween. Don't worry, we're just getting started. Seriously, we're only a few minutes into this video. Wow, a rainbow! Just what we need to add a splash of color. And we've got a trick to add a bunch of colors at once. Pretty soon, everything will be coming up rainbows. I guess watching us work is tiring for them. But we've got a special bed in mind for you. You'll see, it's the perfect thing for musicians. Sure, it might not look like much at first. But just wait, it's an accordion mattress. Make storage a breeze. Add a cushion. Plus some decorative pillows. Try it out. Nighty-night. Don't let the bedbugs bite. Uh-oh, I think they took that as a challenge. What could be behind all these bugaboos? Should have known. Chinu, he's back. In bee form. I think Wee Ma demoted the Saja boys. Ooh, but they're still too cute to swat. Maybe a little paper craft is what we need. Just remember, sometimes it's easy being green. Especially when you put a nice face on things. Bugs beware, a hungry frog! And he comes with a long tongue. Gotta catch 'em all. To think, soon we could start our own hive. You bees should know you can't mess with a queen. Wow, Huntrix is huge. They've got fans under the sea. Our friends from all over are here to see them. Girls, do you want to go out and greet your fans? Maybe we can find another way to bring music to the masses. We're gonna need to make a new kind of boombox and make it shine. Emphasis on the box. In fact, we're gonna need another one. 'Cause we're gonna need a speaker. Just make sure to make it shine. Our new booth is 3 speakers high. And Sussy is here to help you take things on the road. Hey everyone, we're on the lookout for a DJ. Whoa, how about you, Derpy? I mean, DJ Derpy. You just can't beat that alliteration. Huntrix can have a break thanks to this opening act. Let's just hope they're not trying to sleep through this. Meanwhile, the girls have gold on their mind, and not just records. But everyone knows that wanting is better than having. That's why blind bags are just so fun to try. It's always a surprise to see just what you got. Let's see what Zoe's got. Ooh, a golden chain. At this size, it's a tiara, complete with matching earrings. Now let's see what comes with Mira's blind box. Ooh, it looks like she gets a chain with some earrings too. Ruby red this time. But she's gonna wear it a little differently than Zoe. Don't worry, we didn't forget about you, Rumi. And these boxes really aren't breaking tradition. Truly a crowning glory for our pop royalty. These girls are ready to meet their public. But first, I think we're gonna need to set the stage. Good thing we've already got your backdrop blown up. And we can't have a curtain call without a curtain. We need to help these girls shine up the night. Let's add some fairy lights with some golden decorations. Now hang it up so everyone can see. Wow! Now that's how you make an entrance. Come on, girls, it's time to go up, up, up. Come on, everybody, get on your feet. There's no sitting around here. Everyone wants an encore, but you gotta leave everyone wanting more. I think you girls earned a treat. Make sure to leave a tip. Just look at all these goodies. Spread it out. We've got dumplings, candies, and lotus root. Why don't we get the girls' lunchbox ready? Hey, look, all of this stuff is doll food, which is the perfect thing when preparing lunch for dolls. Sure, you can't actually eat any of this, but on the bright side, just imagine the shelf life. And the fun of packing them up never has to end. No matter how much it makes your mouth water. Here, girls, you've got your very own bento box. Well, you don't have to ask them twice. Bon appetit. Ooh, anyone want an after-dinner mint? Meanwhile, we've got to clean up after the concert. Don't worry, girls. We know to work smarter, not harder. We're just gonna need to whip up some labor-saving devices. That's too much work. Just one device, but a really big one. And look, it's even on brand. It's a Derpy machine. Gotta love Derpy, especially when he brings his appetite. Good kitty.